Hey guys, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a pumpkin topiary. Let's get on with the video. The first thing you want to do is that you want to take a stem out of 3 foam pumpkins and paint them any color that you want. My foam pumpkins came from Dollar Tree. I painted one black and another one white. I also painted another one white, and after the white was dry, I painted it pink. After you're done painting your pumpkins, you want to paint a stem for the top pumpkin. When the pumpkins are dry, you can start decorating the pumpkins in any way you would like. For my top pumpkin, I put the stem of the pumpkin in. Then I laid out what I want on the pumpkin to see how I want it to look. I'll be putting a flower and a spider on mine. For the flower, I glued some leaves on the back of it with hot glue. Then I glued on the stem so it stays in place, and I also glued the flower and the spider on the pumpkin. Now for the pumpkin that will be in the middle, I cut out a bat template and traced it multiple times on the pumpkin in different directions. Then I painted the bats black. For the bottom pumpkin, I drew a jack-o'-lantern face on it with a pencil, and then I painted the face white. When you're done decorating your pumpkins, you can glue the pumpkins together by laying the middle pumpkin on the bottom pumpkin, so then you can see how you want the pumpkins to look. And just make sure you line up the seams of the pumpkins. Then you want to put hot glue on the top of the bottom pumpkin. Then you want to put the middle pumpkin on top of it. The last thing you want to do is that you want to put hot glue on the top of the middle pumpkin, and then you can stick the last pumpkin on top. Then you're all done. You can put this into a planter or something else, but you don't have to. I put mine on top of fake leaves. that's how you make this pumpkin topiary. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye!